I am starting my first ever body recomposition. Oh my gosh. I've been working out for 7 years now. Well, this year will make it 7, and I never even knew what a body recomposition was. I actually found out about it last year and I was like, this is perfect for what I want to do. Why didn't I know about this sooner? So I'm pretty much going to be putting my body up to a test, doing it for about 6 months, shredding some fat, gaining some muscle, getting a little more toned and defined, and I want to take you along with me because I'm gonna be locked in for 6 months. Ever since I did my caloric deficit for about, it was supposed to be 3 months, failed the first month, and then the last 2 months, you ain't see that. The last 2 months, I made it work, I made it happen, and I ended up losing 20 pounds. And I locked my taste buds up for 2 months then, but now they got a 6-year sentence. They got a 6-year sentence and 6-month sentence, not 6 years. No, I can't do that. Physically, I feel like I might be prepared, but mentally, we getting there. Slowly but surely we getting there. Cause I truly feel like the body always want to put in a work, but it's the mental you gotta get. Like, you got to get that right first. I've been thinking about this for a couple of months now. I've been doing so much research. I've been creating my own plans when it comes to body recomposition, my own meal guides, food libraries. I put so much effort into this, so I can't wait to see where I end up at. When I lost the 20 pounds over the span of the 2 months, I kept that weight off for 6 months. So I'm pretty much going to show you my physique, my before body, and jump right into this 4-part series. Oh my gosh, we gonna be locked in for 6 months. Yep. I'm digesting it. I'm digesting. But before I show you my physique, I do want to share something with you. Something I learned is it's not just about moving your body when you work out, because let's be real, anybody could do that. Anybody can move their body and go hard at moving their body and feel like they're doing what's best for them. But in reality, no. That's not how it works. Posture, a proper plan, and nutrition plays a crucial role in your success when it comes to your fitness journey, especially when you want long-term growth and progress. You're going to need some direction to get you there, whether it's from you, a personal trainer, whatever. Having some direction, especially for your body type, you'll get there. I am happy to announce I have a personal training series coming up as well. Stay tuned because I'm here to help you reach your goals, your dreams, your desires, especially when it comes to fitness. I've been doing this for a while now, and I thought to myself, like, I love helping other people, and I genuinely help people when it comes to me about advice, fitness, etc. So I'm like, let me go ahead and get my certifications and help even more people and be certified and knowledgeable about different body types, aspects, and just overall things. So I got that coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell because, yeah, we got that coming. Let's jump right into my stats. So right now I am 143.6 pounds and 22.8% body fat. I do have a Renfo scale, and this is not sponsored, by the way, unless they trying to cut me a check for some money. But I have a Renfo scale. I jumped on it and pretty much it Bluetooths all of your information directly to your phone. Now, depending on the scale that you have, it can be more advanced, but I just got the base model and that's all I need. I don't need all that fancy dancing. That's my stats, and now I'm going to do a 360. Now that you've seen my before physique, I do want to maintain my weight. I feel like my weight fluctuates often, so I'm going to maintain my weight, and then I'm just going to build muscle, trim some fat, and that's pretty much it for this body recomposition. Every week within this series, I'm going to be uploading a video. I'm pretty much going to show you what I eat, my workouts, how I'm maintaining, what I'm changing, what I'm not changing, etc. So this is a journey, this is a ride. Like I said, if you're down for it, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. And before I end this video, I actually have a question for you. Like, would you try a body recomposition? Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever heard of it? let me know down in the comments below. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, anything, leave it down below and I'll be sure to get to you. And with that being said, I will see you on my next episode. I almost forgot to mention, like, I made my workout set that I'm wearing, and yeah, so yeah, I gotta go now.